Do you need a cutting machine for the packaging industry? Today we will introduce you to the AOL165 for the packaging industry. AOL-1625 series cutting machine. The whole machine is 3,640 mm long * 3,280 mm wide * 1,220 mm high. The actual cutting platform area is 160 cm wide and 250 cm long. The weight is 1,100 kilograms. This machine is suitable for installing oscillation knife, creasing, punching, V-cut tool, and has standard 8-zone vacuum absorption. You can also choose 12/16 zone absorption. It should be noted that the standard configuration does not include a desktop computer because ordinary computers can do the work. Now, I recommend you a few suggestions for tool combinations. If you need to make corrugated box, then I recommend the oscillation knife plus creasing wheel plus V-cut tool. This combination can easily make boxes. If you cut cardboard, I recommend a combination of direct knife and pressure wheel for you. It is suitable for thin paper materials and making various boxes. If you need to make packaging linings, I recommend a combination of oscillation knife, pneumatic knife, and V-cut tool if you need to make packaging linings. If you need milling knife tool is also a good choice. If you need to cut other materials, please contact AOL to recommend a suitable tool combination for you. Another point is that when using the machine, the voltage and socket requirements of each country are different. AOL will configure it accordingly. For all machines, we will pack them in wooden boxes, and they will be well packed before shipping. If you have any questions, please contact AOL for more details.